Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. We're now moving on to lot number 22, which is a Yamaha YB-1 Four in blue. It's in absolutely immaculate condition, with it only having 1800 miles on the clock. Did come out in the year 2000. The bike itself is a 49cc single-cylinder four-stroke bike with about 4 horsepower. It's a carburetor, of course, with a 4-speed manual gearbox. Well, you know, the usual Honda 50 or Honda 90 kind of gears. Or no, sorry, it should be, never mind that. It's a 4-speed gearbox. We then have drum brakes front and rear with a seat height of 745 millimeters. The fuel capacity is then at 7.2 litres. Bike itself will be going for €1,950, which I feel is probably a bit of a bargain, given the condition, which we will run through now. Front wheel is in very, very nice condition, as you can see. Same with the front forks, front mudguard, chrome, very nice. All very good condition. Tank is in very nice condition. It's just a bit filthy. That'll all rub off when we get into the valet. Again, onto the centre of the engine, YB-1 Four side panel. Same with the seat and the rear guard. Now we do have some rusting on the rear here, as you can see. Good rear tyre though on her as well. Moving on to the right hand side of the bike, it's much of the same, all very nice condition. Exhaust has the rear guard on it, but some very minor slight signs of surface rust. The alloys itself in very nice condition, again with the rear mudguard. Side panel is in very nice condition, same with the tank, no marks. Well, sorry, I should say one mark up the top here. Then down onto the front forks, all very nice, and same with the alloy as well as the front mudguard. So if we are interested in this bike, we'll be taking the €150 deposits on them to secure the bike for arrival in September in Dublin. Mileage is 1882, again, year 2000 and €1,950. If you had liked the video, please do like and comment as well what you think of this bike, as well as subscribe if you haven't already.